आनंद युग का एक वंडरफुल प्रैक्टिस ऊर्ध्व शवासन प्रसारण। दिस इज पूरक। लंबा श्वास लेते लेते हथेली स्ट्रेच करना, एक साथों साथ फुट को भी स्ट्रेच करना अपोजिट डायरेक्शन। सो ये कमर से ऊपर तक सीधा टन टन करना, यही है ऊर्ध्व शवासन। एंड देन रेचक का साथ साथ वो वापस ले आना। दिस इज वंडरफुल एंड do once more, but hand should be now these hands should be like that. This should be not upish, this should be parallel to the ground. If you lie in the ground, you will be stretching this one, right? Because someone of 80 years, how can he should raise it? So this Ananda Yoga is very simple to 80. In the time of stretching, Puraka, Lamba Sasana. And this one, Chotu also in the coming to this point. This is the starting point. Close your eyes. Do at the same time. Means from upper limb, you are stretching. From lower limb, you are stretching. Opposite direction. This Puraka, and then reach and come. Right? Another 2 rounds, perfect. Next side. Fine. One more round. Right. Perfect. Relax. Now, just you took working the second practice. Just 3 practice I will be doing today. That how to relax your body, even working after 8 hours, 10 hours at a stretch. So that is number 1. The second is Jatrasana Purak Recha with both legs. That is, hand should be placed parallelly to the shoulder, okay? And fold both the legs. And this is the point of initiation, starting point, right? Now, when you are inhaling, slowly, you twist on the left side. From left Ananda Yoga alternate to start. This is not your Anandaji's discovery. It was in the field of yoga. It was chote with. So there is no retention. In Ananda Yoga, no retention is there. Right. It is wonderful. This is 1 round you completed. From first left side, right side. You do once again 2 rounds you do. You perform closing your eyes. Because closing eyes, you are, why you are asking Ananda Yoga? This is the point. As per Anandaji, yoga is different. Yoga has also a different definition. And this Ananda Yoga, you were perfectly making yourself in one point of body, mind and prana with Ananda. That is Ananda Yoga skill. This is wonderful. Someone performing this, but getting no result, because these 3 are unitedly working towards the Ananda. If these 3 unites towards Ananda, then it will be simply coming. Right. Now, once again do Urdhva Shavasana Prasaran, 3 rounds. Only 3 practice, but Urdhva Shavasana Prasaran you are performing twice. And feel the results. Right. Once more. Very fine. Now, so this small session, the final is. Final was in also Yoganandaji's discovery. This is another invention from Yoganandaji. All the time, we are revolving your shoulder, movement shoulder. This is Yoganandaji's wonderful creation, because I thought even a man of 80, when he'll be feeling so much pain in any kind of diseases, so how he or she can perform as this pattern? That is Parshvabahu Shavasana Kandha ka Khulna. Parshvabahu Shavasana Kandha ka Khulna. The shoulder rotation in side lying posture. So how will be coming? Attaching first to the right side, left side, left hand. So right side will be moving. How? Fold the left leg, right. You place the left hand, right hand just up, and then you slowly twist. Here you come in your postural place. This left hand leg should be straight, and hand should be here. Yeah, aram se rehna chahiye. It should not be stick up. Okay. So this hand, here will be fine, right? So this is the starting point. Sthiti. Clear? Now, first clockwise you will be starting. So when clockwise you will be coming from front side, this is half your Anandaji giving Puraka, and this half Rechaka. Clear? This is Puraka 1, 2 with Rechaka. Puraka 1, so beautiful. आराम से और 2 राउंड कीजिए, श्वास लेते लेते ऊपर तक इतना हो जाए, श्वास छोड़ते छोड़ते नीचे तक, पीछे से। अभी एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, पीछे से ऊपर लेना, श्वास लेते लेते छोड़ते छोड़ते फील 2 बार आराम से। So beautiful feeling will be coming throughout the body. Once more. This Puraka and Rechaka you are matching, mixing. Now, left hand is clear. 3 downs, 3 downs. Now you turn towards your left, right. Towards your left, turn. In the same fashion. Legs should be stretched. It's going to be up. Now you slowly twist your left. Because you will be revolving your right shoulder. This is the Parshvabahu Shavasana Kandha ka Khulna. So this is your, this is your point of initiation. And now from backward is clockwise. छोड़ते छोड़ते लेते लेते ऊपर, छोड़ते छोड़ते लेते लेते ऊपर आराम से up to this Puraka, then छोड़ते छोड़ते। Now anti-clockwise, आराम से कीजिए। Because this right hand, you just need much more revolution, because you hold on your camera also a long time. So you can perform also. 3 rounds completed. So once again clockwise 3 rounds, then anti-clockwise 3 rounds. Scientifically, we should practice. आराम से सुपाइन में आ जाइए। Turn yourself to supine posture. Legs should be apart, at least 2 to 2.5 feet. Hand should be left, right. Go with deep, deep. Savasana position. So you know, whatever you know, you perform in the Savasana. In Savasana, number of techniques are there. So you maintain.